I'm going to explain how to get different vendors and clients from LinkedIn. The process may be similar in most of the job boards and in most of the social media platforms also. So basically, as a bench sales recruiter, you have two responsibilities. The first one is bench sales. That means you need to market your consultants. And the second one is recruiter. You need to find out suitable resumes for your requirements. When you are a bench sales person, you need clients, right? That is what you see here, clients. When you are a recruiter, you need vendors. Clients are the one who sends requirements and vendors are the ones who sends resumes. So let me go to LinkedIn. I already logged into LinkedIn now. So what I do here, the search box, I just click Hotlist. Hotlist, that means list of hot candidates. That is what I'm trying, okay? Hotlist. So it is asking me a question, hotlist in people or in jobs. I'm just saying hotlist here. I'm not selecting anything. So what are the options you're getting? You can see this hotlist in people by clicking this people, in post, in companies, in groups, right? Usually what I do is I click this post. So when I click the post, it is highlighted here. You can see this one, post, right? Many persons have sent some kind of email conversation in LinkedIn, and that is what is called as post, right? So current hotlist to Karan Kumar, right? So no information here. Deepthi Joga. So what she is saying, dear bench sales recruiter, hope you're all good and safe. I'm updating my vendor list for daily update of requirements. Kindly send your email IDs and share your hotlist to Deepthi, right? So Deepthi's request is, please share your hotlist. That means the candidates list to Deepthi at jobsinc.com. Sangeeta, she has written something here. All our tags here. Neeraj, also add my email ID to share your hotlist. So this Neeraj or Deepthi, what we are trying to say here. Hello, recruiters. If you have bench sales consultants, right, or hotlist, right, when you email them, please add my email ID also, so that I'll get your hotlist, and if your hotlist matches my requirement, I'll call you and take it further. Here also, Manoj Sonaven, kindly send your updated hotlist to my email ID, manoj@llc.com. Surya Kiran, please share hotlist to Surya, okay? Let me go to the second page. Here, this message is one, hello connections, dear bench sales recruiter, I'm updating my vendor list for C2C requirements. Kindly send your updated hotlist to my email ID, Vivek, right? So Vivek has also mentioned that if someone has got good hotlist, send that hotlist to this email ID. So what you're seeing here, vivek@ztechinc.com. Deepthi at biolabsync.com. These persons are clients, right? So let me click this Deepthi Joga to see whether she has sent any messages earlier. Hello connections, hope you're doing great. We have below requirement. Hello connections, hope you're doing great. We have below requirement. Here, see this message. Dear BNCS recruiters, hope you're all doing good and safe. I'm updating my vendor list, right? For daily update of requirements. That means this lady, Deepthi, has got a lot of requirements and she's trying to send those requirements to the vendors. Kindly share your email IDs and share your hotlist to Deepthi. Fine. So she's requesting everyone to share their email IDs. So let us go below. You can see this here, right? Vanitha, right? Vanitha at varnancartetechnologies.com, right? So what you need to do, you need to copy this email, right? Copy and put in notepad, right? So let me go here. So put in notepad here, right? Then say comma, right? So you've got one email ID. Then what you do, you go here, you copy this Praveen at galaxyitech.com. Similarly, you have to do it for all emails. So what is the use of it? You got the vendors list now, right? So go to the other one, copy this Rocky at firstobject.com. So do the same exercise for all of these email IDs here. Then it says load more comments, right? Load more comments. Mike, Kavya, David, Sai, Dan, Sai, Ab. So you get a lot of things, right? Load more comments. So this recruiter, Deepthi, with her request, she was able to find out so many email IDs. So as a bench sales recruiter, what you must do? You must collect all of these email IDs. Then what you must do? Copy this one, fine, copy. Then go to your account, right? Let us say gmail.com. Okay, go to your account. Fine. So this is my personal Gmail account. Assume that this is your company's account, right? Click compose. Fine. Make it bigger. And your CC and your VCC, right? Here, subject. Fine. Hotlist consultants. Okay. You can mention the day also here. 5th. Let me say 3rd April. Hotlist consultants from learnhiring.com. Then what I need to do? Here recipients, right? Google is asking us CC or BCC. So I will paste this email IDs here. So if you've got 100 email IDs, you can post it here. 200 email IDs, you can post it here. There may be some restriction from Google, okay, for how many emails you can send emails on a daily basis, right? So kindly search it in Google and try to find it out. Then the two, what I do, just I say Anthony at learnhiring.com. Okay, hiring.com. Then here, this is subject, right? You need to write something here. Okay, let me go to this. Here, let me click this one here. Let us see like how Deepthi has sent email to. See this one. We have below requirement open business for one of our direct clients, right? Job title, something like that, right? So what you need to do, similarly, you need to copy this one, correct? Let us assume that, fine, I am working on this one. So what I'm going to say, hi team. Hi team. We have below requirement one for clients, job title data engineer, location Virginia, 9 plus skills. These are the skills. And what are the important keywords? And then please share resumes to Anthony. Please share resumes to Anthony at learnhiring.com. Learnhiring.com and then number, right? Here I can say some 415-636-9650 and then my signature here, right? Everything can be done here. Anthony. So what is the basic fundamental of collecting email IDs? Why we are building a database with email IDs? Suppose if I have 1000 email IDs and if Google allows 1000 email IDs in this blind carbon copy, then my requirement, this requirement will reach 1000 people just by clicking the send button. When it reaches 1000, right? What to happen? You will get lot of information, right? So in this situation, I mentioned Hotlist consultants, right? But what I'm doing here, I am copying a requirement and I'm sending it, right? So this is a wrong message. So in this situation, how you need to do, right? So this information should not be there at all. You need to mention, okay, your consultant and as well as the skill name, those kind of things, right? Let us say Akbar, right? He is a consultant. Okay, where is he currently located? He's located in Parsippany, New Jersey. Parsippany, New Jersey. Fine. What is his title? Let us say data scientist. Fine. What is availability? Within 1 week. So what is this visa? H1B. And what is this billing rate per hour? $80 per hour. Similarly, you need to frame this kind of information, right? This is called as hot list. So you need to click here. Fine. This is name. This is location. Okay, this is data scientist. This is title. This is availability. This is visa. This is bill rate. So similarly, you can go to the second one, right? Here you can say Murugan. Okay, he is located in San Jose, California. Title is DB Oracle DBA. Immediate. Okay, US citizen. Rate $100. If you're interested to give the full name, you can provide it here, or just you can put as initial, right? Let us say that Murugan Paraman. Okay, let us say that okay, Murugan is the first name, Paraman is the last name. If you don't want to give the entire name, you can say MUPA, code word. Okay. Similarly, when you're working as a bench sales consultant, you need to prepare all of your consultant information nicely. Correct? So what is missing here? Title. Then you can say skills. Fine. What does skill mean? As a recruiter, you would have spoken with the consultant and got some kind of skill there. So you would have said big data on Hadoop. Right? Big. Hive. Cassandra, right? These are the information you got it from the consultant. So put everything here. So why you are preparing this hotlist template? Because in one go, the client would be able to understand what kind of skills your consultant has, right? In this way, if they have a requirement which is matching with your consultant, immediately they will send it to you. Fine. So copy this one, come here and paste it here. Then you can write few lines here. Hi team, please find below the hotlist consultants with the following skill sets. If you are interested, please reach me. Okay, then you can provide the contact details. If you have 1,000 email IDs with you, and if you're going to send a requirement to 1,000 people, at least 5 to 6 resumes would reach the correct person. Correct. That means like all of your 1,000 emails, right? Your consultant's information would reach to 1,000 clients. That's not a problem, but at least you will get 5 to 6 responses from the client based upon the current market situation. Because of this COVID, if the world is nasty in the situation, you may not get any results. But in a lively staffing environment, one recruiter will get at least 5 to 6 responses for the hotlist consultants sent to 1,000 emails. Okay, this is the first example. Now, similarly, what you need to do, go here. So you have collected all information from Deepthi, then go to Neera. So let us see what Neera just done there, correct? So you need to go to, okay, happy Holi, hello professionals, wish you a very happy email, right? So he has not mentioned anything about receiving email IDs, correct? So let us go to Manoj Sonavane. Hello connections, I'm updating my vendor list, right? So click this one. What is saying, dear Ben Sales Recruiters, I'm updating my vendor list to my direct client C2C requirements. So this guy Manoj has got direct client connections. So he is requesting everyone to send or share the email ID to manoj@lidlc.com. So what you understand here, client is manoj@lidlc.com. You should collect that information as a client. And below, right, so many people have responded to his requirement in LinkedIn, right? Rocky, Arnab, Raja, Kiran. So you need to prepare a email ID list like that and send the hotlist consultants, right? So this is all about how to get different email IDs from LinkedIn.